Unlock automated lead nurturing, seamless customer onboarding, and powerful audience engagement by mastering email sequences in Zapier. First, let's build the foundation by initiating a new Zap click on the Create Zap button prominently displayed on your Zapier dashboard. Next, we need to define what kicks off our email sequence. This is your trigger. Select the application that will initiate the sequence, such as a form submission tool or a CRM, then choose the specific event within that application, like a new entry arriving. Now, we'll set up the action that sends the first email. Search for your preferred email sending service. Common choices include Gmail, MailChimp, or SendGrid. Select it as your action app. From the available actions, choose Send Email. This tells Zapier to send an email whenever the trigger event occurs. You'll then be prompted to connect your email account if you haven't already. Here's where the magic happens: composing your first email in the To field. Map the recipient's email address from your trigger app. Crucially, personalize the email by using data from your trigger, like the contact's name. In the subject and body, for example, you can write, "Hi, contact name, welcome aboard," in the body. To create a true sequence, we need to introduce a pause before the next email. Add a delay by Zapier step. After sending your first email, you can choose to wait a specific number of minutes, hours, days, or even weeks. Now, repeat the process for your second email. Add another Send Email action. Again, map to your chosen email service. Compose your follow-up message, which can also be personalized. This second email will only be sent after the delay period has passed. Continue adding more delay by Zapier steps and send email actions to build out a comprehensive sequence. Think about your audience's journey. What information do they need at what stage? This allows for intelligent, automated communication. Before you go live, it's vital to test everything. Use the test trigger to pull in sample data. Then test action for each step to ensure your emails are sending correctly and with the right personalization. Once you're confident, hit Publish Zap to activate your automated email sequence.